really want to get this clear for you, because that's how cowards bully us and win, right? They just keep smacking us down and smacking us down. They just keep putting up that barrier and smacking us down that tries to constrict us into a place where we're in such a small space. There's no energy of ours that's being expressed, that we lose all of our awareness and ability to choose. Right. And then they get to then dictate the agreement that you're in with whatever effect they're producing. Right. But the more that, like, it's not magic. It's actually really simple. Again, like the glass on our forehead. We've talked about the idea before. I'm just wanting to bring you to an awareness of the idea that no matter what happens to you, you're going to respond to it with courage. That's how you step into the space that you create. That's how you create space and then step into it. That's how you retain your ability to acknowledge, accept, and make the choice of your agreement. You don't have to control the factors outside of you. You have to control the thing that's the most important, is your response to them. And if you're doing that, you're expressing energy, which is what space is. You're taking responsibility consciously for the energy you express. You're taking the authority over the energy that you express intentionally. And you're consistently in the rhythm of creating space, no matter what's going on around you. It's not being dictated to you. But the only way you can do that is by accepting, right? Got to acknowledge, hey, there's something in this environment that's creating an effect on me. Got to acknowledge that. If it's continuing, I've got to accept that it's continuing. And then I got to make an agreement about how I'm going to either go into agreement with that effect and the direction that it's going, or I'm going to respond and choose to create space to make sure that I can continue to respond and choose and create space. People use cowardice and the energy behind it and the force behind it to make you forget your courage. Because that's all you need to remember in the face of that, is your courage. That's it. The rest will take care of itself.